Hello there, it's me, earthmanbrick, and we're back with another unboxing. It's the Frostgrave Cultists. And yeah, this is one of the best sprue sets you've ever seen. The only issue I've got with it is that they come on these tiny little oval bases right on the sprue, which is kind of annoying. You can see it better pictured there. I could tell you the blurb on there, but I don't think anyone's interested in it. Yeah, so some finely painted examples of these miniatures. Of course, you can paint them any way you like. That's what I do. I just do my own thing. I think many people do. What I've done is I've made up a whole host of bases. This is them here. I've done various square ones and round ones. And I made molds of them. And this is molds here. And this is all just like my cobblestone bases. One of my earliest videos that I ever did. Because it's a fine way to practice sculpting, actually. So yeah, if you just take like a regular round base and then just put on a layer and then just whack out your sculpting tools and you can have fun etching little bricks. And then once you've sort of etched in all the grooves, it's just a case of going over it with a sheet of tin foil or something just to give it that rough kind of rubble texture that you can see there. And yeah, I think it works an absolute treat. You can go for whatever kind of style and stuff you want. But enough about that, more about the miniature sprues. So these are some that I've done before. I quite enjoyed making those. But I thought I'd try painting some on the sprues, so I just hit them up with a zenithal highlight. And then just I hit it up with some red. And then I started making up these guys. And these are from Blizzards of Fade, I think it is. This is a fine example of how well detailed these miniatures are. I mean, look how nicely that little face turned out. I think it's pretty cool stuff. Nicely detailed models, and yeah, so even with a basic color scheme, they look great. Aside from heads and stuff. In fact, I'll just go over this briefly because yeah, you get enough pointy hats to make it look like a proper cult. To do 5 miniatures, but you also get other variants. So you get other arm variants, so you can make them look like zombies, and there's a couple of zombie heads there. Or you can make them undead, and there's a couple of skeletal heads there, and skeletal arms and stuff. Very cool. And of course there's other head variants as well. Other weapon options, you've got bows and arrows and or whatnot, and little accessories too. So yeah, a lot of variety, a lot of cool things. And I think at one point I might splash these up. I'll do some equivalent type of stuff with some of these other sets. And just to show how well they kit bash together. But that's all I've got for you today, so thanks again for watching, and bye.